Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify foreign transaction fees with Amex step by step clearly. To verify foreign transaction fees with American Express, start by visiting the American Express website. Log into your online account using your registered username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Foreign Transaction Fees option under the Fees and Charges menu. Click on this option to access detailed information about your card's foreign transaction fees. Review the fee structure presented, noting whether your card charges a fee for overseas transactions. If you have questions or need clarification, locate the Contact Us link on the website. Use the contact information provided to reach customer service via phone or chat. Prepare any necessary information, such as your card number and recent transactions, before you make the call. When connected to a representative, inquire specifically about any foreign transaction fees. If you prefer, you can also check your billing statements for any fees associated with recent transactions abroad. Ensure to examine any receipts or transaction details that came with international purchases. Take note of any discrepancies that may arise during your review. If you identify an unexpected fee, follow up with customer service for further investigation. Confirm any resolutions in writing, if applicable, to maintain a record of your inquiry. Finally, remember to regularly check your account statements for any future foreign transaction charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.